Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. In today's video, we've got an unboxing for you. Here recently, a company called Auxito reached out to me and asked was I interested in receiving some of their LED headlamps for your vehicle in exchange for my honest review and assessment of the product, and I agreed to it. So I'm happy today to kick off a 3-video series with you all. The first video, which is this one, is going to be an unboxing. The second video was going to be the installation, where we're going to put these headlamps, get them installed in our Ford Expedition. And the third video will actually be our review and honest assessment of the product after we get some time to get the hang of it, get used to it, and really put it through its paces. So I'm excited to bring you this series, and thanks again to Auxito for giving us this opportunity. So come on with me, let's go ahead and get this box open. I'll show you what's inside, and I'll tell you a bit more about Auxito. Let's go. Let's go ahead and start to open up this package and see what's inside. I'm excited. I feel like a kid at Christmas here. Let's go ahead and get this open. So once we get the poly bag off, this is what our container looks like here. There's a plastic outer wrapping we need to get off, so let's go ahead and do that. While I do this, let me tell you a little bit about these headlights. These are the 9007 LED bulb dual beam headlights. They have 100 watts of power per set. 20,000 lumens is the brightness per set. They have a lifespan of 50,000 hours, and the application can be high and low beam. So just a bit more information about these bulbs for you. This is the box here. We've got the plastic off, so let's go ahead and open this up now. Get this stuff out the way. Let's go ahead and open this up for you. So now I'm in the inside, what it looks like. We have a set of gloves here that'll help us with the install process. Have a manual here. Yeah, this manual has some installation steps for you. You can see that. Yep. So the product specifications, what it says, it's light source is LED, voltage is 9 volt to 30 volt. It's designed for 12 volt cars only. Light temperature is 6,000 K. Housing material is aviation aluminum. Waterproof rate is IP67. Working lifetime is 50,000 hours. Working temperature is minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 176 degrees Fahrenheit. And the temperature control is an automatic thermostatic system. This set includes 2 LED light bulbs, which we see right here, and you got your product manual. So it has installation steps, and it seems to be this one manual covers a range of different bulb types too. So there's one manual will cover quite a bit. And there's also a 2-year warranty. It says we offer 24 months warranty on products. Very good. So the fact they stand behind their product is a very good thing. Very good thing. Alrighty. So we've just unboxed it. This is what comes in the package, the manual, and the gloves. So there you have it. We just unboxed this product and told you a little bit more about it. If you are interested in learning more about this product or picking one up for yourself, I'll put some links down in the description below for you. But our next step, what we're gonna do is get these installed on our vehicle, and after getting them installed, we're gonna be doing some testing and evaluation to give us, so that we can give you our honest opinion of this product here. But so far, so good. I like the box, how it was packaged, the presentation, all of that was on point. So far, so good for this product. Again, Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.